Okay. So basically, we are fourth year final year engineering students, and this is our capstone project. So basically, what we are doing is greenhouse control and monitoring system. It's controlling and monitoring as well. So for this, what we have done is this will be our actually a base plant. Okay. So what we are doing is, this is the soil moisture sensor, which will indicate us about the soil content in the moisture content in the soil. This is our DHT11 sensor, which is basically humidity and temperature sensor, and which will give us the readings. This is my Arduino, which will be using as a microcontroller to get all the readings from different sensors and thereby monitoring the things. This is my Node MCU ESP8266. This is basically Basically, what we are doing with this is, getting all the data in our servers, so that we can actually, monitor the data remotely sitting anywhere. That's basically for our IoT part. And now this was all about monitoring. Now coming to the controlling part, what we will be doing is, when the moisture content or the humidity or the temperature reaches a threshold value, automatically the appliances gets switched on according to the need. For example, the fan, when the humidity goes above a threshold level, this fan acts as an exhaust to thereby help to reduce the humidity in the greenhouse. This is a bulb. Bulb in the sense it will act as a heater for the plant when the temperature drops below a threshold limit. And last part is the motor pump. When the moisture content in the soil goes down below the threshold limit, the pump gets switched on and water can be pumped to the soil, thereby reducing the overall moisture content in the soil. Now we have all the readings from the different sensors. Now what I will be showing you is that the readings which are getting in the serial portal, in our Arduino serial portal. We can see that we are getting different values of moisture, temperature and humidity, and this is getting updated on a regular basis. You can see the humidity decreasing and increasing on the real-time basis, which is very clear from this.
Okay, now we are showing you how the data is getting transmitted through the original computer to the web server. Look at this. Now here, look at this. Here is our data showing on this web page created by our team members, and here you can see the temperature, humidity and moisture and the real-time monitoring updated every 5 seconds. And now you can also access it on our phone using the IP
running.
Look at this.
Which means that
IP.
Humidity content in the atmosphere has gone up. Now it is trying to which means that
pump out the excess humidity.
We can see that the humidity content atmosphere has gone up, and now it is trying to
61
pump out the excess humidity. According to the code, the humidity content currently is 61. The fan should be running
61.
So we can see that the fan is currently running, and according to our code,
we can conclude that our project is in good working state,
the fan should be
and all our readings.
So we can see that the greenhouse is
actually being monitored.
You can
conclude that our project is in
good working state, and all our readings and the greenhouse is actually being monitored as well as controlled. Thank you.